Hello everyone, so welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve this question under sets. So the question goes like, solve square root of x plus 7 minus 3x minus 2 in a square root equal to 1. So let me go ahead and rewrite it for clarity. So x plus 7 minus root of 3x minus 2 all being equal to 1. So to solve this type of question, what we can do is to move, so let me change the pen, to move this to the right hand side of the equation. This is the left hand side of the equation. So to do that, we are going to rewrite it. X plus 7 under the root sign we maintained now equal to 1 is already here, it will be maintained, plus root of 3x minus 2. So by law of integers, when this moves to the right hand side, it becomes positive. Now moving on, we have to square both sides of the equation to take off the root from here. Now we are left with x plus 7 equal to 1 plus square root of 3x minus 2 times itself, 3x minus 2. Yes. So by virtue of that, we are going to get x plus 7, it will be maintained, and with this expression, the answer will be 1 plus 2 root 3x minus 2 plus 3x minus 2. Now if you are wondering how you got that, you can see this expression. So let me just do rough work here. 1 times 1. So let me change the pen so that you see it. 1 times 1 gives us 1. 1 times root 3x minus 2 gives us the same thing, because any number times 1 gives the same number, and this times 1 gives us another with 3x minus 2. Then finally root of 3x minus 2 squared, and the squared cancels the root, so now we are now left with 3x minus 2. So if you look here, you compare it here, you can see that they are the same. So there's 1 here and there's 1 here. That's why we got 1 plus 1, 2. Because they are like terms, we maintain one of it. Okay, so moving on, we can group like terms and we bring 1, it becomes negative 1. 3x becomes negative 3x. Negative 2 becomes positive 2. So now we are just left with this on the right hand side, 3x minus 2. So we have x minus 3x, which gives negative 2x. 7 minus 1 gives us 6 plus 2. And we have 2 times square root of 3x minus 2. So 8 minus 2x is equal to 2 square root of 3x minus 2. Now we can square both sides to eliminate this root sign once again. And when we do that, we are going to get this gives us 64 minus, this is a squared. So a squared gives us 64. Then minus so we can divide through this equation by 2 to make it simple. Now we have 4 minus x squared is equal to square root of 3x minus 2, then with the squared as well. So this makes this much simpler. So now we have 3x minus 2 just here, and here we have 16 minus 8x plus x squared. So we have a quadratic. X squared minus 8x, this 3 comes here to become negative 3x, this 2 comes here to get positive 2, then 16 is maintained, plus 16 is equal to 0. So now since we have that, we can just sum it up to get this quadratic equation. So once again, you can use the factorization method. You can use the almighty formula, or you can use your calculator. So choose one that you want to use. By using the factorization method, we are going to get factors x minus 2 times x minus 9. So I have a video which shows how to get the factors during a quadratic equation. And now x will be equal to 2 and x will be equal to 9. While using the almighty formula, which is negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. With this question, the coefficient of a is 1. That of x, which is b, is negative 11. And this is c, which is 18. Alright, so we just substitute the values into the almighty formula. So negative 11 plus or minus square root of b squared. So negative 11 squared minus 4 times 1, which is a, then times 18, which is c. And now x is equal to, all divided by 2 times 1, which is a. Now we have positive 11 plus or minus square root of 11 squared is 121, regardless of the negative sign. Because it's in a bracket, it doesn't affect it. Minus 4 times 18. If you check that on your calculator, you are going to get 72, because 4 times 18 is 72 times 1 is the same answer. All divided by 2. So now we have x is equal to 121 minus 72 is going to give us 49. So we have 11 plus or minus square root of 49 all over 2. Now this expression can be broken down into x1. I'll name it x1. That's 11 plus root of 49 is just 7 over 2. And s2 will be 11 minus 7 over 2. Now x1 becomes 11 plus 7 gives us 18. 18 over 2 gives us 9. And x2 will be 11 minus 7, which is 8. 11 minus 7, which is 4. So 4 over 2 gives us 2. So we can clearly see that the values 9 and 2 are what we got for the root of the quadratic equation. Now, we can confirm to know if 2 or 9 or both of them are satisfying the original equation. So for the original equation, we just rewrite x plus 7 minus root of 3x minus 2, all being equal to 1. So when we substitute the values and we get 1, that means that value satisfies the equation. So first, let's use x1, which is 9. So we just do 9 plus 7 minus square root of 3 times 9 minus 2. Now 9 plus 7 will give us 16. So root of 16 minus 3, 9 is 27. 27 minus 2 gives us 25. So 25. Now we have what? Root of 16 gives us 4 minus root of 25, which gives us 5. Now it becomes a negative answer, negative 1, which means 9 doesn't satisfy the equation. What about using 2? So 2 plus 7 minus root of 3 times 2 minus 2. 2 plus 7 gives us 9 minus 3 to 6 minus 2, 4. So now we have root of 9, which gives us 3, minus root of 4, which gives us 2, which perfectly gives us 1. That means x is equal to 2 satisfies the original equation. So this is how to solve these types of questions. Let me know if you have any challenges in the comment section and I'll respond to them. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next time. Bye.